Welcome to the CMPL Delhi edition, India's only event that connects retailers, D2C brands, contract manufacturers, ingredient and raw material suppliers, FMCG brand owners, specialty retailers, packaging suppliers, and other key industry players. CMPL has successfully created an ecosystem for the industry to collaborate and drive business opportunities for all stakeholders under one roof. The Delhi edition of CMPL Expo will take place at Yashobhoomi, India's state-of-the-art convention and exhibition hub. Located in Dwarka, Yashobhoomi IICC is one of the largest convention centers in Asia, spread over more than 8.9 lakh square meters, offering world-class infrastructure and facilities. Reaching Yashobhoomi IICC is easy via Delhi's excellent metro network. The venue is directly connected to the Yashobhoomi Sector 25 metro station on the airport Metro Express line, offering fast and direct access. Alternatively, if you're coming via the Delhi Blue Line Metro, you can get off at Dwarka Sector 21 and avail of the free shuttle service to the venue. If you're driving, you can reach the venue via the Dwarka Expressway and enter through Gate 6. Parking is available at the venue. You can also use popular ride-sharing services like Uber and Ola to reach Yashobhoomi with ease. With so many suppliers under one roof, eager to showcase their innovations and manufacturing expertise, we can't wait to welcome you to CMPL Delhi. So, see you there.